no! All of our math mites have gotten their strategies all mixed up. DC is holding Abacus's wand. What is going on here? Okay, so here's how the mystery math mistake is going to work. One of our math mite characters will be featuring a problem that they're struggling with. It's your job to find the mistake and to help them solve it correctly. Let's see who needs our help today. It looks like Value Pak needs our help. I think Value Pak is decomposing teen numbers, but it looks like he forgot one of the numbers. Do you think you can help Value Pak? Do you see some of the errors? Let's see what our friend Landon is thinking. Landon says, when I build 18 on my place value strips, it decomposes into 10 and 8 because 10 plus 8 equals 18. I think we need to check this out. Let's take a look at it together on mine. I have a double 10 frame mat, the number bond, and the place value strips. So you can see here on the number bond, we have the number 18, 10, and that missing part. Now, Landon said, when I build the number 18, I know that it is 10 and 8. So remember, Value Pak can click apart to show his own individual values. So let's pull that 18 apart like this. Now you can see the two parts that Landon was talking about, 10 and 8. We can also build that on our double 10 frame mat. Let's put the 10 on top, and that means we'll fill that whole 10 frame like this. There's 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. There's that part that we knew. Now, here's that part that was missing in the number bond. So let's put that 8 in the bottom of the double 10 frame. We'll use yellow this time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. There are our two parts. Let's go back over to our number bond and add that missing part that was 8. That was great help from Landon, and I think that Value Pak would be so proud of our help. But I think there are a few more number bonds that Value Pak needs help with. Let's see what Ryan's thinking. Ryan says, I know when I decompose 16 with my place value strips, it is 10 plus 6 equals 16. I like the way that Ryan is thinking. Let's take a closer look at it on mine. All right, so once again, I have the double 10 frame mat, the number bond with the missing part, and the place value strips that show the number 16. Now, Ryan said he knew that 10 plus 6 equals 16. So what I want to do is click that number apart like Value Pak does to show the two individual values. Let's do that now. When we pull it apart, there's what Ryan was talking about. 10 and 6 equal that number 16. We can go ahead and build that on our double 10 frame mat. Let's do that now. We'll put the 10 on top and the 6 on the bottom. We'll show the 10 in red. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And then our other part, which is 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Now, when we look at our two numbers, we can see the 6, which is shown on the bottom, is already in our number bond. So that just means the last thing we need to add is the 10, like this. Now we can see that our number bond is fixed. I know Value Pak appreciates our help, but we have one more number bond to help set him straight. Let's take a look at that one. This time, our number bond reads 15 and then and 5. Let's take a look at mine and see if we can solve this together. I've started our double 10 frame mat with that number 15 in there. Then you can see we have the missing part and the 5. I laid out our place value strips right here. I'm going to go ahead and decompose that 15 or pull it apart how Value Pak likes to click apart to show the two individual values. Let's do that first. So now when I look at this, I can see the two parts of 15 are 10 and 5, and there's a 5 in my number bond. I'm going to go over to my double 10 frame mat and show you that 5 and see if you can see the 10. So we're going to turn these over, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. There's our 5, and here is our full 10 frame at the top that has 10 counters in it. So we can go over to our number bond and add that 10. This is a great discovery for helping Value Pak.